Your time is the only asset you cannot buy more of. Yet most founders spend it answering the same 5 questions in their DMs. Today, we change that. Welcome to Wealth Automation, Episode 5. Manual customer service is a bottleneck that kills growth. Every minute you spend typing a response is a minute you are not building. We need a system that thinks like you, but works for free. The architecture is simple but powerful. We use a webhook to catch incoming messages, an AI brain to formulate the answer, and an API to send it back. It is a loop that never sleeps. First, we set the trigger. Using tools like Make or Zapier or a custom JavaScript listener, we capture the data packet the moment a customer hits send. Next, we pass that data to the brain. Using the OpenAI API, we feed the message into a custom prompt that defines your brand voice and your knowledge base. But automation requires a safety net. We build filters to detect sentiment. If a customer is frustrated or asking for a refund, the system flags a human. For everything else, the AI handles it instantly. To recap our build, 1. We trigger the data catch. 2. We process the logic through the AI brain. 3. We filter for human escalation. The beauty of this system is its elasticity. Whether you get 1 message or 10,000, the infrastructure remains the same. Your overhead does not scale with your popularity. This is how you reclaim your mornings. While you are sleeping, your automated agent is closing leads, solving problems, and maintaining your reputation. This is just one piece of the wealth engine. In our next episode, we will master the art of prompt engineering to make these agents even more lethal. For more info and to get today's tools, read our docs and grab the checklist in the description below. If you liked this video, do like and subscribe for future updates. See this next video is best for you. YouTube suggested.